Ikinya ria kuma mutongoria wa ngwataniro Raila Odinga kanya ga kwaririe muingi muthenya wa kana hindi ya mambura ma Madaraka ni kumburite Ndereti nene makiria muno mitambo-ini ya kiriu ya ukinyaniria. No kuringana na mutongoria wa aria aingi bunge-ini ya kibururi Aden Duale, gutiari o muhaka Raila aheo kamweke ga kwaria. Duale oigite mambura mau mari ma kibururi indi ndwari mucemanio wa kiuteti. Akiaria na andiki ya Mohoro mwena wa Garissa, Duale nioigite gutiari na uteti hari ikinya riu indi mambura macio marumirire mutaratara uria wagiriire.
It's not a rally, it's not a funeral, it's not a wedding. It is a national day or national celebration day. So all the 45 million Kenyans, regardless of their status in society, are usually invited to that function.
No akiaria mwena wa Kisumu, Raila niokiriire mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta na munini wake William Ruto akiuga ni matwarire uteti wa Jubilee mambura-ini ma kibururi.
The Jubilee is busy making so many empty promises. So yesterday, the president using what is a national day to do campaign for Jubilee, supposedly extolling the virtues of Jubilee, the successes of Jubilee, and so on. That is not a subject for a national occasion like yesterday, Madaraka Day.
Ona kuri oguo Raila ni atitirithitie ndamakitio ni kwaga kuheo kanya, akiuga we ni anyitire itemi riake ria gwikinyia mwena wa Nyeri kuria mambura macio mari thutha wake kunyitwo ugeni. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Kimemia wa Mwangi.